iPad 2, iPad A1395. The getting error NAND error. Okay, this one check completely. Okay, this is fault. What is the fault? I will give you solution. This one. Just open complete iPad. This is motherboard. This is the cable for going sim base and the camera. This one camera with sensor. This is cable. One they think this one cable. Open this cable from camera connector. Then check. If not, this one another cable for power switch and this one volume button. This one cable. Okay. Remove this cable. Remove this cable, then power on again. Now need to shut down because the power on cable is removed. Then I will remove the battery, then connect again. Okay. Now is power off. Now need USB cable for charging cable, then will your device power on. Okay, it's working. Okay, now this one working normally. Now this working normally. Okay, the fault is power cable. Then need to check first this one power cable only. This cable or this one board. Not more board coming. This cable need to check first. You a board if you have need to check this one also. That's thing only cable. Sometimes this sorted. This one cable getting error NAND error like this. You need to fix it. Okay, let's subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you so much.